Alright, how to insert a header and footer in APA, not a footer, but a header in APA format. The only thing is you're going to have to change, so in APA format, its page numbers have to be up in the upper right hand corner, and your running head has to be different from all your subsequent, your running head, the word running head is on your first page, and then your colon, and then your running head, because you're actually telling the reader of the paper what your running head is going to be. Let me show you how to do that quickly. So what I always like to do first is click into the header, or you're going to have a different first page header. I don't care if you have a Mac or Windows-based PC. So I always just do my page number right away. So show number on first page, hit OK. I hate when it does that. Okay, there we go. So what we're going to do, again, different first page, running, add Medicare plans. Okay, so we're going to close that out. Now, so running head appears up here only. Medicare plans will be on all subsequent pages with page numbers. So I'm going to close that out. Let's go and create a page 2 here. Happen to be using a Mac again. Doesn't matter which one. So what Windows did was, I'm going to have to come into page 2. And this is going to be different first page. So it's Medicare plans. And then hit close. So that's how you put in your running head and how you actually edit the document. I hope this helps. Take care.